So your first independent practice question says, Carl bought 4 magazines at the bookstore. Each magazine is the same price of $3.22. How much did Carl pay for all 4 magazines? So if I think about what the question's asking, I know we're talking about Carl, so it's probably a boy. He's in a bookstore and he's buying like magazines, maybe comics, something along those lines. It says, how much did he pay for all 4 magazines? So I'm wanting to know the price of all of them. So for my question mark, I wrote price of all and I underlined it because I want to know the price that he paid at the register for him leaving. It says he bought 4 magazines and each means one. So one of those cost $3.22. So if I want to know the price of all of them and he bought 4 and they were all the same price, I have the choice to either do repeated addition or to multiply. And I'm going to be multiplying these numbers together so that I can find the total. When I do that, I'm going to put my bigger number, $3.22 at the top. So I have $3.22 times 4. So if you're choosing to flip your numbers around, that's okay, but at least I'm putting my bigger number on the top, so it's easier math for me to do. So now I'm going to start distributing this out. 4 times 2 is 8, so I'm putting in 8 first. Then I do 4 times the next 2, still 8. Put it in that place value so they're kind of lined up. 4 times 3 is 12. So you might notice right now my answer is 1,288. But think to yourself, is that a reasonable answer if they each cost $3 and some change? No, it's not. So I've got to remember to put my decimal back in. So if I look, I'm going to circle my decimal. Behind that is 1 number, 2 numbers. So I need to put my decimal back in 2 places. So off to the side, I'm going to write 2 places. So now I need to figure out, well, where's my decimal in this number right now? Our decimals always go at the very end, and a lot of you are really good about that. I'm going to move it 2 places, 1, 2, and then rewrite my answer. So this turns into $12.88.